In primetime news this evening, former JC groundsman pleads guilty after indecent encounter with a child on the school property. Cattle run loose on Maypen to Williamsfield, a leg off the highway over the weekend. And the Prime Minister responds to cries for improved services at hospitals.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrea, National Baking Company, a name many know. Well, guess what? They're expanding to Montego Bay, St. James. I'll have the details a little later on.
And Jordan Fort is also here with a preview of what's expanding in sports. Jordan.
Well, Gio, 5 of Jamaica's best cricketers are off the island now. They're en route to South Africa. A couple of days travel for them. They're getting set to take on or to play in the ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup, where they'll try to help the West Indies win a second title. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Monday.
Thank you, Jordan. And for more on the weather report and forecast, here's Romaine Robinson.
Thanks, Andrea. These dry conditions are expected to persist at least another 2 days. We could see an increase in clouds across the island on Thursday, but I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what was the start of the new school term like in your area?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.